Hello guys, SA Absinfo here, and today we're gonna learn how to find hidden friend list of someone on Facebook. So let's start. First of all, go to the Facebook app and go to the menu option, which is the right side on the bottom. Then click on the friends option, or you can see the friends suggestion or add friend list here. You can see the friend request here. I'm sorry. Then you can see the your friends option, and you can see your friends here. Then click on the friend option that you want to search the hidden friend list. Then you can see the all friends of there. Then click on the see all friends here, and you can see all the friends of those here, and you can see the mutual friends here, or you can see the suggestions here. If you want to see the hidden friend list here, then click on the search friends option, and you can search your the hidden people which you want to see. So this is so simple. I hope you like this video. If you like the video, then don't forget to subscribe our channel for more informative tips and tricks video. Thank you.